Welcome to another TEKDEP video. In today's video, we'll be working on Asus TUF F16 gaming laptop. This laptop came with a locked BIOS password. Customer is being unable to boot to Windows or even access the BIOS. So we'll be showing you how to remove the password and make the laptop work again. Okay, as you can see here, the laptop is directly asking for the password. You cannot enter for BIOS or even directly boot to the Windows. It shows only the password. As we put multiple passwords, it shows error. So we are going to open the laptop, remove the BIOS chip and reprogram the BIOS to reset the password. Most of the motherboard module is stored under the RAM or under the Wi-Fi card. So I'm going to remove the RAM to check for the model. Here, those numbers you see, this is the model of the motherboard. I'm going to get the exact BIOS file using this motherboard code. And this model uses two BIOS chips. One is for the EC and one is for the main BIOS. Most of the BIOS password is inside the big chip on the main BIOS. So we are going to remove the main BIOS and reprogram it. I'm going to use this thermal heat resistance tape to cover some of the areas around the chip. We'll be using hot air gun, so the heat which comes from the hot air gun might damage the parts nearby. So it's better to use this heat resistance tape. Let's apply the soldering flux and remove the chip. We're going to use an RT809H universal programmer to program the BIOS. This is one of the best programmers out there you can find. Let's solder the chip on the programmer's adapter. If you have the adapter with the locker one, you don't have to resolder on the adapter. If you're using same adapter like the one that I'm using, you have to solder it. Okay, let's open our programmer. First, before we start reprogramming the BIOS, we have to make sure we do save that backup, the original backup from the chip, because if any problem happens, we are going to reuse that backup again. I'm going to use a well-known good BIOS file for my exact model here, which I downloaded from some of the websites. There are some free websites you can use also. We can also provide you some of the files you want. We reprogram the BIOS file. Then after the process is done, we have to remove the chip and resolder it to the motherboard. Here I removed the heat resistance tape. You can see there is a little damage to the tape. If we shouldn't have applied the tape, the damage will be on the computer parts. So these heat resistance tapes are extremely useful. It's strictly recommended to use those tapes while you use hot air guns, because the damage which happens to the board or to some of the ports, mostly the ports for the keyboard, trackpad, those ports are a plastic, so any kind of heat will totally damage the ports. Let's plug the charger and check if the password is totally removed. And yeah, now the laptop is booting properly. There is no password on the laptop, and you can see when it starts, it shows the logo. You can go to the BIOS, you can change that settings, so everything is clear now. Let's plug everything back. Let's assemble the laptop fully and check one more time before we give it back to our customer. In the meanwhile, if you have any kind of repairs for MacBooks, Windows, gaming computers, if you have any kind of repair, you can mail it to us. We do offer a mailing repair. If you also need parts for laptops, mobile phones, or repair tools, we do have them on our website. Please visit our website for the best genuine parts. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe to this channel. We will be making more chip level repair videos soon. If there is any specific model or any specific device you want us to make a video of, please leave us a comment. Let us know which model you want. We'll be working on it. Thank you.